Hi, and welcome back to At the Mama That Does It All. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my family. Today's video is a very special one. I have the opportunity of collaborating with a group of fabulous women. Life is Michelle, Positively Geizel, Ivy Howell, Erika, and Life is a Rose. These fabulous women and I are working on a hot cocoa slash coffee bar. So I don't know about you, but I love coffee. It's an absolute must. I have two a day, and I really try to stick to that, or else I'll just be drinking it all day. I love coffee. I love chocolate, and so doing a hot cocoa slash coffee bar just seems fabulous to me. It gives me all the Christmas vibes. I hope you like the way I set mine up. Please don't forget to head over to the other channels that I mentioned. I'll link them in the description below so that you can check them out. I think you're really going to like all the ideas that we bring, and hopefully you'll have an opportunity of setting one up yourself at your home. So thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoy this video.
We're so excited to make hot cocoa bombs.
I'm so excited to try them out.
Hot cocoa is a must.
All right, guys, so we're going to be making our very own hot cocoa bombs. The kids are super excited. I bought this almond bark over at Dollar General, and I really like it because you just kind of break off whatever amount you want to use, pop it in the microwave, and you have the melted chocolate ready to go for the exterior of the cocoa bomb. I had the kids take the hot cocoa packets and pour it all into this bowl. So I have that ready to go. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and mix up the chocolate that I had in the microwave and get it ready for the molds. I'm really excited to try these. They're super cute. They look like a flower, like a rose. They're silicone molds I purchased online on Amazon, and I'm really excited to try them out. I thought it would be kind of cute to have that for the cocoa bombs. Alright guys, so now that I have my chocolate melted, I'm going to go ahead and fill the inside of the molds with it. You want to make sure that you don't put too much chocolate, or the shell will be so thick it won't easily dissolve in the hot water or hot milk. And you don't want to have it too thin, or else when you take it out of the mold, it's going to crack or break. I did go back to redo some because my kids actually helped to do the hot cocoa molds. And some of them were a little thin in certain areas, but see, this is what it's supposed to look like. And now I'm going to peel off that mold and look at this. So incredibly cute. I don't know if you can see all the details here, but I love the way it looks. So now we have our molds ready, marshmallows ready, and we're going to start filling them with the hot cocoa. And then of course we're going to add some extra marshmallows. We need that. And now once you have that ready to go, look how nice that is. You're going to take one of the other halves of the mold, you're going to heat it up, and then once that heats up, you're going to go ahead and place it on top of the one that has a hot cocoa in it, so that way it can kind of like dry and seal. You can take some chocolate in a piping bag and go around the edge there to make sure that it's sealed all the way through. This year, more than any other year, I love getting my kids involved with doing different things, whether it be something like this that we can work on together, crafting, decorating the home, whatever it is that can keep them and their minds busy. And they're not thinking about, oh, we can't go here, we can't go there, because that's not good for them or for me. So we just try to keep ourselves busy and do things that are, new to us like this, and have fun while we're doing it. Lucky for me, my kids love helping me out, and my oldest daughter, she's the one that helped to put the melted chocolate into the molds. And now the younger ones are helping to fill them. Even the youngest is helping to get the marshmallows in. And this is just a very nice activity to do with your family. If you haven't done this already, I definitely recommend it. It's going to be fun. It's something new. And of course, everyone enjoys the hot chocolate afterwards. All right, so now it's time to get this hot cocoa bar slash coffee bar ready to go. Some of these things that you're seeing in the video that I'm setting up are items that I ordered online, some of them from Dollar General and some from Burlington. You can check out my previous video to see me unboxing everything and sorting everything out. Kudos to my daughter because she's the one filming me right now. My oldest daughter is helping me out, so if you see a little bit of movement, it's my daughter. She's learning how to be my partner in crime in my videos, just like I record them for their channel. So I'm just setting this tray up, this tier tray up, and filling it in with some of the items from the store. Ready?
Yeah!
No. What's happening to you? Stop. No. It's my beautiful muscle brush. What happened to it? Oh, it has marshmallows in there.